Hello folks, we're here at Just Better Cars out here at 901 Riverside in Roseville. We got a 2019 GMC Denali with 16,250 on the miles. It's four-wheel drive. This thing shines inside and out, guys. It's got the 6.2 engine, so if you want to tow something big, it's going to tow it. Power sunroof up there, power running boards, 10-way heated seats in the front, power, of course. Look at it shining here, guys. There's those running boards. Folks, 901 Riverside, come on out and get this thing before somebody grabs it. Thanks, bye.